eagle feeding frenzy. So as far as the eye can see, if you look, you'll see gulls and eagles all the way to shore, coming back and forth. There's an eagle up in flight above us. We'll see just how close we can get in here.
Oh, whale's right under it.
Oh, the whale's under it. No way. Oh my goodness, you guys are getting the trip of a lifetime here. That couldn't have been choreographed any better. Now the eagles all left. No, that's even stranger. Why did that happen? I always think of nature as my teacher, and I'm trying to figure out, okay, why did, when the whale surfaced, the eagles all left? What is that about? So the eagles are all heading towards Admiralty, and the whale surfaced. That is the most bizarre thing ever. Come out here every day and you see something new that you've never seen and you can't explain and isn't in a book and you don't know why. All I know is it would be neat to be diving right now and seeing what's underneath there. There's not even an eagle out here now. They all left. They're all at shore. That is so interesting. And I have no explanation for it. Well, that's the joy of it, leaving you with the sense of wonder. There's that whale. Wow. It's almost as if on cue, all those eagles left.
Yeah, it's amazing.
You wouldn't have even known that was happening. Well, it probably gives you an appreciation for how many eagles are here now.